Continuing with my series on how I run Articulate Storyline on a Mac, I wanted to talk about a quick tip that will maybe save you a lot of grief. I know when I first installed Articulate Storyline using Windows and Parallels Desktop, I had some issues with distortion in Storyline. So some of my slide objects appeared pixelated. I had trouble aligning things properly. It was driving me insane. I thought for sure it was my machine. It was just my DPI settings, which is related to your graphics. Now, I have a MacBook Pro with Retina display. I believe the DPI settings are not necessarily an issue for some older Macs that don't have Retina or 4K display. But basically, what Retina Display is trying to do is give me the most high quality visual that it can. So that was causing a problem when it came to Storyline, and this is how I fixed it. So what you want to do is you want to go into your Parallels configure settings. So I just clicked on the Parallels icon, and I'm going to go to configure. And then I'm going to go to graphics. Now, what you want is to change best for Retina display, which is the default setting, to scaled. Now, this will let the graphics scale to full size. It will not be trying to make them any sharper than they need to be. This will just make them look normal. Now, another thing that you want to look at when you go to your Windows settings is select Windows. We're going to go into our control panel. We are going to go into appearance and personalization, and then we're going to go into display. Now, if your display is set, so if in the configure options it's set to optimize for Retina display, you'll notice that the selected read setting on this window here is usually 199%, so 199%. What you want it to be is the default, which is 100%. So after you change that setting in the Parallels configuration panel, this should change automatically. If it doesn't and you're still having issues, try scaling down to smaller 100% default, and that should resolve your issue.